obviously not the greatest news in the world coming out of A1 if you missed the race or if you didn't see it in general. The beginning of the 450 main event, like what, 5, 6 corners in, whatever you want to call it. Justin Barcia ended up landing on Malcolm Stewart and face planting into the ground afterwards. Video here. And I'm going to say this, the more I watch this sport, the more I realize how ridiculously bad the medical attention is to this. On the side of Malcolm Stewart, who had just been landed on, you see an Alpine Stars guy making him stand up and walk. You don't know what injuries he has. It's incredible to me that these guys aren't put on back braces or stretchers just on a precautionary level of things. Like, if you know anything about, basic first medical after crashes, the first thing they say is do not move people. You don't know if they've broken backs, have spinal injuries, and the fact that these guys are crashing at the speeds that they are and they're made to stand up and move almost immediately is absolutely pure insanity to me. As far as I can find, I'm recording this like an hour or so after the actual race, so nothing really known at the moment. But MXA has reported on their Facebook that he does have feeling in all 4 limbs, which is obviously a really good start. It's pretty sad, pretty bad too. There's a video towards the end of this. If you don't want to see somebody laying motionless, this one right here, do not watch this. But you can see it. Like, there's a Alpine Stars guy checking on Malcolm Stewart, who is obviously up and looks to be in better shape. And then there's Justin Barcia just laying there, not even motionless, but like twitching, either whether that's him trying to move and can't move, or it's him completely out and nobody's checking on him. This is absolutely atrocious when you think about it. Like, and this guy just walks over and immediately, like I said, first thing they tell you is do not move things. And you should not be trying to like twist somebody's body as they're laying on the ground. Obviously, they could be medical professionals and they know more than I do. But from a first, if you look at anything, they tell you do not move people. And something like that where he's laying on the ground for like 45 seconds with nobody looking at him, nobody checking on him is horrible. That's what I'm going to say on that. I don't know. Hopefully, knock on wood, it's not a horrible thing. Hopefully he was just knocked out or something on that lines of injury. But as far as anything update wise, obviously, as it comes, I will continue to provide it. I don't know what you want to call it here, but hopefully he is okay. That's the main thing. I don't know. Hopefully, go check to his socials, give him some good luck or whatever. But yeah,